Nhìn vào cô, look at me, look at me. Look at me. What's your name? My name is, look at me. What's your name? Minh Đức, how old are you? How old are you? And tức bao nhiêu tuổi? Wow. Nhìn vào miệng cô nào. Wow. Wow. Years. Years old. Years old. Years old.
Yes.
So, these are years old. Where are you from? Where in Vietnam are you living? Where in Vietnam are you living? In chợ tàu, tàu market, tàu market, street. What's the name of the street? Look at me, look at me. What's the name of the street? Name. What's your name? It's street name. Street name. The street name. Nghĩa là gì? Chính xác. Câu nào gì? I don't know. Nó sẽ trả lời là I. Nhìn vào cô, nhìn vào cô. I don't know. I don't know. Nhìn vào cô đi ạ. I don't know. What class are you studying? Class is 7 and 9. How many class? How many people are there? How many people are there? People. Rất là may mắn. Nhưng mà bên cô nào bên cô 50 people. What subject do you like?